Hey everyone! Welcome to the instructional guide on understanding the step-by-step procedure for the Toyota Vios 1.3-liter engine. In this video, we will learn the proper inspection, cleaning, and replacement procedures that help maintain engine performance, fuel efficiency, and reliability. Before beginning any tune-up procedure, ensure the vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine switched off and cooled down. Engage the parking brake and wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses. Open the hood and perform a visual inspection of the engine compartment. Check for oil leaks, damaged hoses, loose electrical connectors, worn drive belts, and signs of fluid contamination. Inspect the battery condition and terminal connections. Ensure the terminals are clean, corrosion-free, and tightly secured. Measure battery voltage if necessary. A healthy battery helps ensure reliable ignition and engine performance. The air filter supplies clean air to the engine. Release the clips securing the air cleaner housing and remove the filter element. Inspect for excessive dirt, dust, or damage. Replace the air filter if it is clogged or beyond its service interval. A clean air filter improves airflow, fuel economy, and engine responsiveness. Next, inspect the spark plugs. Remove the ignition coil connectors and carefully remove the spark plugs using the correct spark plug socket. Check for carbon deposits, worn electrodes, oil contamination, or abnormal coloration. Install new spark plugs according to Toyota specifications and tighten using the recommended torque setting. Healthy spark plugs provide efficient combustion, smoother engine operation, and improved fuel efficiency. Remove the intake duct and inspect the throttle body. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate around the throttle plate, affecting idle quality and throttle response. Apply approved throttle body cleaner and gently remove carbon deposits using a lint-free cloth. Avoid forcing the throttle plate open unless specified by the service procedure. After cleaning, reinstall all components securely. If equipped, inspect the mass airflow or MAF sensor. Carefully remove the sensor and clean it using a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. A contaminated MAF sensor may cause rough idling, poor acceleration, and increased fuel consumption. Check all essential fluid levels including engine oil, engine coolant, brake fluid, windshield washer fluid, and transmission fluid where applicable. Top up or replace fluids according to manufacturer recommendations. Proper fluid maintenance is essential for vehicle reliability and component longevity. Inspect engine belts for cracks, glazing, or fraying. Examine coolant and vacuum hoses for leaks, swelling, or deterioration. Replace any worn components to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature. Verify that idle speed is stable, no warning lights are illuminated, no abnormal noises are present, and throttle response is normal. Listen carefully for unusual sounds and inspect for fluid leaks. Complete the tune-up by performing a final inspection. Ensure all tools are removed from the engine compartment and all components are properly secured. Conduct a short road test to verify engine performance, acceleration, and overall drivability. A properly performed tune-up helps maintain fuel efficiency, smooth engine operation, and long-term reliability. Thank you for watching this guide on the Toyota Vios 1.3-liter tune-up procedure. Regular maintenance, timely replacement of service items, and proper inspections will help keep your Toyota Vios performing at its best for years to come.